In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram channel. First things, I open this app on my Android. So now click on this pencil icon, then again click on new channel. Make sure a name ABC BD. Okay, this is my name. This is only for example purpose. Then if you want to add a emoji, then okay, that's good. So I want to click this one. You can cheat any profile picture this one. So now write some description here. I write only for test purpose this one. Then click on tick mark. Then make sure you channel public or private. So I want to keep it public. Then choose your profile URL. Then I again write ABCBD. Okay, sorry, this is not available, so I want to add some other text. Write IT. You can choose anyone. Okay, this is available. Now click on tick mark. Then if you want to add some people, I'm not interested here. Now click on next. Wow, my channel are ready. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.